my name is Meg Dooley, and I am running for your city commissioner. I would like to take a few moments to talk about the wonderful improvements that have taken place during my last term, as well as some recent things that I'd like to see happen for Plymouth's future. Firstly, the city of Plymouth and the people in it do a wonderful job to raise money for certain projects in the community. For example, the efforts of the citizens, the city commission, and all the local businesses have helped to put in place an event called Kick Butt. And this event helps keep Plymouth as beautiful as it can be by having volunteers clean our streets, parks, and sidewalks of any trash or debris. Kick Butt not only keeps the town clean, but with this event is sponsored by our local businesses and will help raise money for our community and programs such as keeping the tree lightings used in our downtown district. I will do my best to implement and organize more of these types of events that will raise money for our community while keeping the streets clean. Second, I would like to address the issue of parking in Plymouth that Plymouth has faced for a while now, and for some of you it might raise the concern for economic development. For the past 20 years, Plymouth has grown into a thriving community with the addition of many bars, restaurants, and the activities and events that take place. It's a place where people want to come and visit. And with the added growth comes a need for more parking to accommodate these visitors. The City Commission has listened to your concerns and are in the process of a plan to do so. We are looking into utilizing the unused lots in the area, such as the Christian Science Church on Harvey Street, and this will help to accommodate the increase of visitors that Plymouth has seen over the years, especially with the big Art in the Park coming, which attracts over 300,000 people. This utilizing of unused properties will also help the problem with the employees using up the short-term parking, and it will be better utilized for the visitors. Having more parking and structured parking areas will be less confusing for first-time visitors, and they will feel more encouraged to visit again. I feel that maintaining Plymouth's allure and encouraging people to visit are an essential part in Plymouth's economic health, and resolving the parking issues will help Plymouth thrive. Another way of aiding this effort has already been implemented and allows the first-time parking violators off the hook of any fees or legal obligations. And I feel this is a decent way for visitors to get acclimated to our city parking. Lastly, I would explore opportunities for partnerships with agencies in our neighboring communities in an effort to decrease costs by sharing our services. One way we have done so is contracting with the City of Northville to provide our firefighting services, and with Huron Valley Ambulance for our EMS services, while still maintaining our own police department. By integrating these three agencies reduces costs related to the expenses of having our own fire and EMS services. Also, improving the service qualities by increasing the capacity of the firefighting force and the respondent teams. Well, now you have heard some of my experiences and what I would like to do for this community if I'm reelected, like increase the visitors by making it easier for them to come, which will help the downtown district continue to thrive, and getting our citizens involved in helping to keep the streets clean and well maintained so we can be a close, proud community. You are all my neighbors, and I'd like to continue as your public servant and continue to evaluate your needs as citizens to ensure your quality of life. I am willing to work hard for you and will continue to listen to the community and do all to help enforce your wants and needs and ease your concerns. I ask for your consideration today to help make that happen with your vote for Meg Dooley. Thank you.